In this video, we are going to know how you can track any flight in FlightRadar24. So do kindly watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so once you open the application, it will look like this. By the way, you can download it from your Google Play Store. Like, you have to search FlightRadar24 and simply download it. After that, once you open the application, a world map will be shown to you, and you can see over Nawabshah there is a flight, and once I tap over on that flight, it will show me the complete route of that specific flight. Like, if I go to backward like this, you can see this flight takes off from Riyadh, which is located in, I think, Saudi Arabia. And if I go forward to this line, it will show where the flight will land. Like, it will land to New Delhi, which is located in India. Alright, so the second thing you should know, that once you click on this more option, like, it will gives you all the details of that flight, like its distance, its current location, its route, its flight number, and everything the flight having. So alright, the okay, after that, once you click over on this search engine which is on the top, once you click on it, you can basically track the flight by placing the flight number or flight route. Like, you have to put the flight number and it will take you directly to that flight, and you can track it easily. So this is basically how you can track a flight in FlightRadar. All for today's video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, give it a like, and thank you so much for watching.